Hey guys, hope you're doing really well. I was talking with Mr. Hammond recently and he tells me that you guys are studying genetics. Man, I love genetics. I was an 8th grade science teacher back in the day and that was a unit that I love to teach. I know you guys have already had discussions about things like genes and chromosomes and ideas about how parents pass down certain characteristics to their offspring. You know, in humans we pass down things like hair color, height, eyelashes, earlobes, whether they're connected or not. All those things are passed down from one parent to their offspring. So I've got a really cool concept to share with you tonight. We've been raising puppies and breeding puppies for about the past 7 years. And so I'm going to give you an opportunity to look at some of the characteristics that are passed down from the parent to the offspring. Okay, so let me introduce you to Winnie. Now Winnie is a black standard poodle. Notice the curl that she has. Yep, the dark hair color that she has. Come here, Winnie Coon. Come on, sweetie pie. She is my poodle. She's about 3 years old, and she is the mother of one of the litters that we are currently raising. Okay, so when you look at Winnie, you would probably think, well, she is going to have every single puppy be completely black because she has a black hair color, and hair color is a genetic trait that can be passed down from the mother to the offspring. But don't forget, the hair color can also be influenced by the dad. And in this particular case, the dad was a red golden retriever. So what do you get when you cross a black poodle with a red golden retriever? Well, this is what you may get. This is a litter of golden doodles. And you will notice that there are multiple colors that are in this litter. You have some black puppies, you have a blonde puppy. That is a red pup right there. This was more of a little bit of a golden. And so hair color is a characteristic that is passed down from parent to offspring. All right, so that's a cute little pup right there, right? This is a red golden doodle, and you can see that this is a male, carries the color of his dad. Now Winnie, my black poodle, has a gene from her mother and a gene from her father, and she can pass either one of those down to the next litter. If she passes the black gene that she got from her mother, then the puppy would be black. If she passes the red gene that she got from her dad, then the puppy will be red. So in this particular litter, we had 11 puppies, and you would expect about 50% of those to be black because Winnie has a black gene and a red gene. And in this case, we had 5 black puppies and 6 red or gold puppies. Isn't he gorgeous? Okay, so I picked out another pup from this litter, and you can see this is more of a golden pup. He has some white markings on his nose, has what we call a white crown, white feet, and look at that chest, a beautiful white chest. So in thinking about what genes he carries, if I were to tell you that black is a dominant hair color gene, then you would know that he does not carry a black gene. So his mother could not have passed the black gene to him because if she did, this pup would be colored black. Instead, Winnie passed her red gene, and the dad also passed a red gene to give us a red golden doodle pup. So some genes are dominant, which means if you carry that gene, then it will absolutely be expressed, and some genes are actually recessive. You could carry a gene and not even know that you have it. So I know Mr. Hammond has talked to you about that, and I think it's fun to see how genetics plays out in the world of puppies. Okay, so this is one of my absolute favorite puppies in the litter. We've named her Love just because she's so incredibly sweet. You will notice that on her chest, she carries a nice white blaze. We call that a blaze. She also has 2 white feet. Isn't that cute? So I love me some Mrs. Love. However, we can tell that this particular pup carries the black gene from her mom, and it is dominant. So that one gene that Winnie passed down has determined the hair color for this particular pup. Isn't she absolutely gorgeous? Yeah, so that's the beauty of genetics. Sometimes you just never know exactly what you are going to get. However, we can kind of predict what the offspring will look like by taking a look at the parents' genes. So thinking about whether or not parents are tall, or whether or not they have curly hair, or if they have blue eyes or green eyes or brown eyes, we can make predictions from a science perspective as to what the offspring will look like, all right? All right, it's been fun sharing with you. Have fun learning about genetics.